In this video, we're going to be reviewing this platform called TooBit. Now, TooBit is a crypto exchange, one of the largest exchange, and the good thing is that it is a no KYC exchange. So if you are in countries like USA, UK, Europe, related countries that you want to be able to trade the futures market or trade crypto without having to input your KYC, this is the platform for you. So in this video, we're going to be walking through the platform and I'm going to show you some exciting features that you can try out. So let's get started right away. Now to get started, just click the first link in the description of this video and then you'll be able to sign up with TooBit. With just your email address, you are good to go. So once you come over to TooBit right here, you can see better crypto trading starts here and they have over 1,000 plus cryptocurrencies that you can explore, you can buy and you can sell. Now here in this option where you have buy crypto, there are two options right here. You have the buy crypto, you can buy with your card, and the deposit method where you can deposit into your wallet. Now let's go over to buy crypto and you can see that you can buy directly with your card or you can use P2P. So depending on the country where you are, it is available to you. Now once this loads up, you can now select the currency that you want to buy from. So for example, I'm in Nigeria, so I can easily buy with NGN. Of course, if you want to buy with USD, just select the drop down and you will see Euro, USD and other options. Okay, and you can also search for your currency right here. So if I'm going to be buying with Naira right here, so I have the option to buy anywhere between 85,000 to 27 million. Okay, so the minimum I can purchase right here is 85,031 naira. So let's just try 86,000 right here, and then it's going to tell you how much you're going to be receiving in USDT. So I'm going to be receiving around 53.199. So I'll quickly go ahead and complete that transaction. I'll just click on buy USDT now. Now the other option is to use the deposit method, which is using your wallet address. So let's go over that. So there are just 4 steps right here. You just select the crypto and the network, you get the address, then initiate the withdrawal from where you're sending from, and the deposit would be completed. So right now, let's say I want to go ahead and deposit USDT. I'm just going to go over here and select USDT or click it right here. Now I'm going to come over here and then select the network. So it says make sure that the network is matching the one where you're sending from. So if I want to use TRC20 right here, I'm just going to select this. And then it gives me this warning that this address is for only USDT. Confirm that. Then go ahead, copy this address and go over to the exchange where you want to send funds from, either from a decentralized exchange or an already existing exchange that you have. So once you deposit your funds, then you're going to find it right here in your assets. Now right here where you have derivatives is where you select futures trading, and once you load it up, it's going to appear like this. So you can come over here and select any pair that you want to trade per time, and over here is where you have the trading tools. You can see the isolated option and you can see the leverage right there. So you can decide to select between isolated and between cross margins. So for isolated margins, you're going to be risking the amount to enter a trade with, whereas for cross margin you're going to be risking the entire funds in your account per time. So I usually like to go with isolated mode of trading. So right here you can scroll to choose the particular pair that you would want to trade per time. So you can see there are lots of them right here, so you can see the percentage change per time and everything. So whichever one that piques your interest, after making analysis you can enter a trade. For example, I want to look at this XNY USDT, so I'm going to open this one up right here. So right here, once the chart loads up, you can see the different time frame. So you select the one that you want to watch the charts, and then right here you can now take your trades. So with this radar here, you can select the size of the funds, whether you want to do 50% of your funds or you want to use the entire funds. So right here, I'm just going to use the entire amount that I have right here for this trade, and then you have the options to go on a buy or on a long. So right now I feel this market is trying to recover, so I'm going to enter a buy. So I'll go back to cross check to make sure that the margin is in isolated. You can see it went back to cross, so I'm going to change it from cross back to isolated. Then I change it to isolated and then click on confirm. Then I'll come over here and then enter a buy, and I'm going to click on open. So that's basically how to take trades using this platform. I hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.